Ito, hubungan. Pinawala ko dito sa baba ng mga MBA. Pinapasok. Ako, akyat dito. I don't know. Anong gusto nila?
Sir, bakit turuan, sir?
Nag-stay na kami doon sa baba. Sagdan.
Sir, pwede pumasok. Oo. Go, ate. Go. Andiyan si Doc. Go. Miss Janet. Sorry. Water nisin. Paki-receive ma. Naka-black. Apo. Isa pa. Nakatas. Si Doc Cesar. Si Doc? Eto na pa. Ay, here na po.
Senator Joel Abdi Commission. Senator Joel Mr. President, may I be allowed to remove and declare all six vacants?
Does the majority leader say there is a motion to declare all positions vacant in the Senate?
President, under our rules of these proceedings, we have asked for a vote for the motion of that majority.
So a roll call vote is in order. Secretary will conduct the roll call. Senator Francis Pangilinan is ready.
Here. Yeah.
Because once we start the vote, they get
Just a clarification as to seats or positions. Are we speaking of all positions?
the motion is all positions vacant.
Which positions? All positions of elected of the leadership. Thank you.
All right, Secretary will conduct the roll call vote. The motion is to declare all positions vacant. The vote in agreement is a yes and a no for the other side. Go ahead.
Board of members, Honorable Senator Kim,
Yari kayo mamaya.
Senator Cayetano Alan, Senator Cayetano Pia, Senator De La Rosa, Senator Ejercito, Senator Escudero, Senator Estrada, Senator Gatchalian.
We cannot hear the votes of the people. Please rise and say your vote.
Roll call of member, Senator Aquino. No. Senator Cayetano Alan. Senator Cayetano Pia. Senator De La Rosa.
Yes!
Senator Ejercito. Senator Escudero.
What? Abstain.
Senator Estrada. Senator Gatchalian, Senator Go, Senator Hontiveros, Senator Lacson, Senator Lapid, Senator Ligarda, Senator Marcoleta, Senator Marcos, Senator Padilla, Senator Pangilinan, Senator Tulfo Erwin, Senator Tulfo Rafi,
No.
Senator Villanueva, Senator Villar Camille, Senator Villar Mark, Senator Subiri, Senate President Soto.
No.
Ilan ang lamang?
Hindi pa natatahilan.
Siya doon sa baba siya hinalang ng NBI.
With 13 affirmative votes, 10 negative votes, and 1 abstention, the positions,
Three.
in all the positions in the Senate is hereby declared vacant.
3.
Therefore, to nominate Senator Alan Peter Cayetano as the new Senate President.
Are you designating me as the presiding officer? Because I am, the position is already vacant. I think you must select somebody to take the position. I am no longer the presiding officer. So you designate a presiding officer. In the meantime, I
Yes,
suspend session.
Senora is watching.
Hindi, gabunin sila pa, no? Yung ba yun, no? Gabulan pa kaya? Kaya, ito ko tumatakbo sa doon eh.
Inaawa siya.
Ano kayo?
Saan bawal sa ulihin dito?
Wala pag natin.
Tama yun.
Ay, Resyo, para sa'yo.
Yes, will the session resume? May I herewith move and nominate Senator Jinggoy Estrada as the temporary presiding officer.
Wala. Suko. Hindi, nasa ibang lugar ako. Katabi ko siya. Katapat ko siya. Paano mo yung katabi?
May we also nominate
Hindi ko alam, hindi kami nagkakatabi. Hindi.
acting majority leader.
There's motion by Senator Alan Peter Cayetano that Senator John Villanueva be acting.
Hindi ko na ano, siniraw sa pao.
Any objection? There being none, motion support.
Mr. President, there was a nomination
Natin yung kunin natin.
by Senator Ivy Marcos to elect Senator Alan Peter Cayetano to be our Senate President. And I don't think, Mr.
Pero
President,
ninominate niya.
there's no objection, Mr. President. So I move that we close the period of nomination, Mr. President.